Hello and welcome everyone to PM Studio's Small Basic Tutorial number 5. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a simple calculator, and I'm going to show you how to publish your code on the web, and especially mine, so that you guys can view all of my code. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in begin semicolon. That's going to start our loop, which you'll understand how that comes into effect later on. So text window dot right line. We're going to put this in here and tell them welcome to the calculator. So welcome to SB Calcu CALCULATOR. Welcome to SB Calculator. Alright. Text window dot right line. Please enter your first number here. Quotes. Alright, there we go. And then text window dot right, and open parentheses, open and close quotations, close parentheses, and then num1 equals text window dot read number. Alright, open close parentheses. That's going to read the number that's put in here in the right function, and it's going to change it into a variable, or an integer in this case, or a double, whichever one. Then we're going to do text window dot pause, which is going to bring up the command prompt to have the user press any button to continue, and then text window dot clear, which is going to clear the screen. Oh, another thing, right after the begin statement, we'll do text window dot clear, and you'll understand why later. Alright, so here, no, it's easier just to do it this way. Text window dot right line, and we're going to open parentheses, quotes, please enter your second number here. Okay, and then another right, and declare the number. So num2 equals text window dot read number, and another clear and pause. And then dot right line, and we're going to have them enter in what function they want to do. So please enter the operation you want to perform. And then inside the parentheses, inside the quotes, you're going to put plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Close the parentheses, close the quotes, close the parentheses again. Sorry I'm writing so sloppy, I'm kind of doing this quickly. It's a very long tutorial and I only have 10 minutes. So we're going to put in another text window dot right, and then we're going to do if, and bear in mind we're going to copy all of this. Oh no, wait, my bad. Before we do the if statement, we need to declare the operation. So variable O equals text window dot read. And let me scroll this down so that you guys can see it. Alright, so text window dot read. Now we're going to do the if statement. If O equals, in quotes, plus, close the quotes, and close the parentheses, then we're going to do num3 equals num1 plus num2. And then we're going to do text window dot right line. And inside that right line we're going to do num3. Close that, and then we can put in, well, first off we can highlight all this right here, and we can just do copy, and then put else if O equals minus, then paste that, and then we can just change around the sign, so that'll be a minus and number 3, okay. And now we can just do this, copy all this. Oops. Whoopsies. Alright, there we go. So we can change this to multiply, and change this to multiply. Okay. And then paste it again, and change it to divide. Oopsies. Alright, there we go. And then we can do our end if. End if. Continue on. And after that we want to do another text window. Let me scroll down some more. Dot right line. Actually, no. What I wanted to do is another pause and clear. And the reason why I'm doing so many pauses and clears, is I like to do it so that the command prompt doesn't get all cluttered. You can decipher every single little line of code and you don't get confused by what was new. So after that we're going to do text window. Scroll down some more. Here. If you guys need to read all of that, then just pause it and go back. Right line. Would you like to perform another operation? And then in parentheses, Y or N for yes or no. Close the quote, close the parentheses. Right. Okay, and then do again. Equals text window. Text window dot read. And then if do again equals capital Y, or do again equals lowercase y, then go to, and this is where that beginning of the loop is, in the begin. We're going to go to begin, and then we're going to end our if. Okay, so run the program, make sure it runs fine. So welcome to the SP calculator. We're going to do 12. Oops. Alright, so 12 and 2 added together should be 14. Yes, it's 14. Would you like to perform another operation? Yes. Now, if we didn't have that clear at the very beginning, it would have had the last line of wording from the other loop along with these first 2 lines. So that's why we have all those clears and pauses, so the computer stays nice and neat. So we close that. Now, in order for you guys to see this code, if you really want to plug it in and understand, look at it and everything, you just push publish, and it'll give you a code and a link to that code. So you can just click on that link, and it'll send you to the Quick Basic website, and there we go. Voila! There's all the code for that simple calculator. So I'm going to copy this link and put it in the sidebar. So if you guys have any questions about the code, you can always just go here, and or you can go into here and you can let me close that out and go here and copy this code right here. Close that. No. And you can import and punch that in, push OK, and there's the program right there. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you, and comment.